REKR Stock Analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all this in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Rekor Systems stock absolutely delivered. It's like I'm surprised. No, I'm not. You know, like this video was made way beforehand yesterday. Like you can see the date. Like this is how the chart looked like. Right? If there's that second break, I'm taking things up. This video was made 5th of January. Only got 70 views, unfortunately, but as you can see, certified freaking beauty. The only thing I can really do is just like change this to now background plus 4R, because that's the order that we got on this one. So since it delivered, like I really need to wait for more candles, because like I can really not do anything at the top. More candles are needed. And other than that, if you want to make more money trading in a simple and way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.